If you're tracking your investments on Bullx, you need the best wallets to stay on top of the market. In this video, I'll show you the top 3 wallets that make tracking your assets on Bullx easy and efficient. So let's get started. So first on the list is the Trust Wallet. So this wallet is perfect for tracking assets on Bullx because it supports a huge range of cryptocurrencies and seamless blockchain integration. So here are its features. First, it supports multi-chain assets on Bullx. It also has the built-in D-app browser for trading and tracking. Also, it is user-friendly interface with real-time market data. So if you need a secure and easy-to-use wallet for Bullx, Trust Wallet is a top choice. Next is we have the MetaMask. So originally designed for Ethereum, MetaMask now supports Bullx, making it great for tracking assets across different networks. So here are its features. First is it has multi-chain support. It has Ethereum, BSC, and Bullx. It also connects easily to Bullx trading platforms, and it has secure with private keys and seed phrase backup. So with MetaMask, you can easily add any Bullx asset manually. So you can never lose track of your investments. Now finally, we have the Coin98 wallet. So this wallet is designed for traders, featuring real-time market data and multi-chain support for tracking your Bullx assets efficiently. So the features are it supports 70 plus blockchains, including the Bullx. It also has real-time portfolio tracking and it has built-in swap and staking options. So if you're a serious trader on Bullx, Coin98 Wallet gives you all the tools that you need in one place. So there you have it, the top 3 wallets to track your assets on Bullx in 2025. We have the Trust Wallet, MetaMask, and Coin98. Though, which one do you use? Comment down below and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more crypto tips. See you in the next one. Bye!